Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week number 14 of EDU 600. I want to congratulate everybody making it to the final week. This is very impressive. I said it once. I've said it many times. EDU 600 is not one of the easier courses in the adult and higher ed program or whatever program you are in. Meaning a master's program. So I want to congratulate everybody on making it to the final week. Just keep up the good work. The home stretch is here. So week number 14 is really all about getting caught up, reviewing on the materials, and then writing the final review. So as you can see, once again, we have my favorite beach in the entire state and probably the entire country, Popham Beach. In Phippsburg, and that is exactly what it looks like right now. I was there this week. So what are we doing? Well, we have the final review, which is due on let's come right down here, due next Sunday at 8 p.m., December 12th. So you have a week to write the final paper. If you do need a day or so extra, please shoot me an email and I'm sure we can work something out. Things get a little dicey at the end of the semester. All of the courses generally have a final product or a final assignment due. They all kind of hit at the same time, and so I have to grade them all and get the final grades submitted in a short period of time. So if you can hit this date, I would appreciate it. If you can't, I can work some kind of accommodations with you, and it will, as long as it works for you, it will work for me. Okay, so as we've talked about throughout the semester, the final assignment is really your summary of the 6 research articles. It started with that article capture 1, 2, and then it moved on to the matrix, the comparison matrix. The comparison matrix, the idea behind that is you get all the information in a pretty concise format, so you can look at that, review it, stick it up on the wall, however you're going to do it. If you have multiple monitors for your computer, put different pages up there. But really I'm looking for, in the final assignment, a synthesis of what each one of these papers is telling us. Now, I've had some questions about, do I have to answer all of these questions in here when I'm writing the final paper? The answer is no. These are just prompts. They're a way to help you formulate and develop the style and the format that you're going to use for the final paper. Couple of specifics, a few specifics. The paper should be 12 to 15 pages in length. And how you write that is truly up to you. I'd like it written in APA formatting. Now, I'm not going to spend a huge amount of time going through, are your dots in the right place, your period, but I am looking for a really good effort on your part with the final formatting. So APA style, there's information in here. If you can't find it, please let me know. OWL is probably one of the easiest to use and the most readily accessible. It's out of Purdue University, and it gives great examples, including they have a sample paper in there, which I've yet to find one as good as what they have. So there's things about headings, how you write it, but most of the people in the class have taken classes that require APA formatting, and I would encourage you to take a look at the samples that I've posted online. So here's the information. It's the same thing. As you get going on the final review, on the final assignment, take a look at chapter 17. There's all kinds of information in there as far as writing, as far as the best way to organize it. But I want to say how you organize this final paper is really up to you. I've had students that they clump the quantitative research together. They've clumped the qualitative, mixed methods. However they want to do it is up to you. how you write this, once again, is I'm looking for the synthesis of the materials, not just 6 individual critiques. I'm looking for what does the body of evidence that you found through your research papers tell you. So, once again, here's just a rehash of what I provided up above. And there is a 5-point extra credit that I'd like you to do this week. I would say the priority should be on writing the final essay, but you can get 5 extra points if you reflect on your course learning. How will you apply what you've learned, and what went well and what didn't go so well, and what are the takeaways? So if you do that, it's kind of an easy way to get 5 extra points for the course. And I think that is about it. If you have any questions, you want to talk over the paper, please contact me early in the week so you have time to write it. In the meantime, I wish you the absolute best in the last week of class. I thank you for your studiousness throughout the semester. I will have 1 or 2 more videos this week. Could be next weekend, but in advance, I want to thank you for the supreme effort that you put forth. So, that is it for week number 14. We'll see everybody online, and thank you.